When I was in Shfea, you remember this school for youngsters, and we were cleaning the halls that there was no system of
septic.
huh?
Septic, no septic system.
Right.
Yeah.
And we were stink and everything. And we got every day 4 cigarettes. We were 14 years old, to somehow kind of compensation. All of a sudden, the manager of the village show up and he says, "Zinger, get out, I need you." Whenever the manager calls you, that means that he throws you out of the village. I asked, what did I do? Why is throwing me out? And all my friends were very unhappy too. I went and I took a shower and I came to his office and he said to me, "Mr. Singer, Israel Singer, your father died in America." And he shows me the picture of I.J. Singer. I didn't even distinguish. And I was kind of relieved. At least he doesn't throw me out of the village. And then he asked me, "Do you want anything that I can help you with?" I said, "Yes, number one, I want to get back to get the cigarettes. Number two, I should stop cleaning up
The toilet.
the toilets. And number three, I would like to stay in bed." And I remember myself staying in bed and reading Polish books, translated Polish books into Hebrew of, what was his name? It will come back. It will come. He wrote all kind of very important books. And they say, well, all my friends said, "Well, you are lucky. You got the cigarettes and you don't have to clean up anything." Yeah, but I forgot when I was with him, with the manager, with the principal of the village, he said, "Say now Kaddish." He gave me a kippah and gave me Sidur, and I was reading Kaddish. After 2-3 weeks, the teacher of mine told me, "This wasn't your father who died, but your uncle." So that's fine with me.